Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Yesterday we are discuss about parallel processing and batch. Okay, today I will explain about interactive and time sharing and real time and distributed. Okay, interactive. What is interactive? Interactive system provides online communication between user and the system. Okay, interactive system interactive system provides online communication. Online communication. Online communication between the user and system. Okay, user and system. Okay, the user gives the instructions to the operating system to a program directly and receiving an immediately response. The user gives instructions to the operating system. Or to a program directly and receives an immediately response. This is interactive. What is interactive? Interactive system provide online communication between the user and the system. Okay, the user gives instructions to the operating system or to a program directly receives an immediately response. For example, we write a program for palindrome. We write a program for palindrome. Okay, in that program one print statement. One print statement. Okay, is there, that is enter a string. Okay, enter a string. This scanf statement reads the string. Okay, this scanf statement read the string. Okay, read the statement. If you use C++, input print statement is cout. Okay, input statement is cin. Okay, Okay, this string, this scanf statement is the statement. Okay, whenever we compare and run the program, the system asks to enter a string, asks to enter a string. Okay, then we enter a string, string. Okay, that is for example, I enter a string Anil Codecraft Solutions. Okay, this is string. So the system said panodrome. Okay, so we interact direct into program dot keyboard. This is type of the system called interactive system. Okay, so we interact directly into program through keyboard. This type of systems are called interactive system. Systems are called interactive system. Okay, what is interactive? Interactive system provides online communication between user and the system. The user gives instructions to the operating system or program directly receives and immediately responds. Okay, example, for example, we write a program for Panodrome. In that program, one print statement is there, that is enter a string. This scanf statement reads the statement. Whenever we compile and run the program, the system asks a string, enter a string. You enter a string, that is Anil Codecraft Solution. Yeah, so the says it Panodrome. So we interact directly into program dot keyboard. This type of system are called interactive system. Okay, this is example. Okay, next one, real time. Okay, what is real time? A real time system is one that must react to inputs and respond to them quickly. Okay, a real time system is one that must react to input and respond to them quickly. Okay, a system Wait 1 second, I change font color. Okay, quickly, a system is real time when it is interacting with a real world processor. Okay, when it is interacting with a real world process. Okay, real world process that will move a certain rate. That will move at a certain rate. Okay, in real time systems, sensors bring the data and gives the data to processor. Okay, in real time in real time systems, sensors bring the data and give the data and give the data to processor. Okay, okay, the processor process the data and give to control unit. The control unit control the system. Okay, the processor process the data and give to control unit. Okay, control unit, the control unit controls the system. Okay, controls the system, controls the system. Okay, this is real time. What is real time? A real time system is one that must react to input and respond to them quickly. A system, okay, is real time when is interacting a real world process that will move at a certain rate. In real time system, sensors bring the data and give the data to processor. Okay, the processor process the data and give the control unit. The control unit controls the system. Okay, what is next one? Next one is real time. Okay, distributed. Okay, I will explain distributed. Okay, wait 1 second. What is distributed? The main criteria of distributed system to distribute the computation among several processes. Okay, the main criteria of distributed systems is to distributed the computation among several processors. Okay, but the processors do not share memory do not share memory at a clock. Okay, the processors communicate with one another so various communications lines. Okay, such as high speed buses. Okay, it is distributed. What is distributed? The main criteria of distributed system is to distribute the computation among several processors, but the processors do not share memory or a clock. The processors communication with one another through various communications lines such as high speed buses. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos. I will provide this notes link in description.